In this video, I will tell you a strategy you can use to target people living in a particular state or specific city when running your TikTok ads. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Popka Innocent. On this channel, I teach step-by-step tutorials on how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and TikTok ads. So if you're interested in learning social media marketing the right way, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing tutorial. Have you done that now? Alright, let's continue. For instance, let's say you are living in Nigeria and you don't want to target people in entire Nigeria. You just want to target people living in Lagos, or you want to target people living in Abuja or a particular state or city where you are living. Let's assume that you're selling a physical product and you don't want to deliver outside of your state because of logistics costs. Remember, most persons do pay on delivery, and in some cases, some customers will disappoint in the sense that when you send that product to a far state, imagine you spending 10,000 naira for delivery to a particular state, only for that product to reach there, and that same customer you called and he told you to do the delivery, only for that product to reach there, the rider has been calling him and he has refused picking his call. Some of them will blatantly tell you that they are no longer interested. Some will tell you that they traveled and all that. A lot of persons have experienced this. So they just want to target within their state where the delivery cost will not be too much in case of failed delivery. Now, let me tell you the exact strategy you can use for TikTok ads so that you can target a particular state or city where you want to deliver your products or services to. These are the 3 ways. 1, when you are making your post, that particular post, maybe video or image that you want to use for that TikTok ad on your TikTok account, what you need to do, there is a place for location tag, so you can impute that location. If you're living in Lagos, or if your business is located in Lagos, I want to deliver to people only in Lagos, then you have to add Lagos as the location for that post. Okay, the third one is the most effective, but all of them join together. Let me tell you the second one. The second one is location tag. For instance, if you're targeting people in Abuja, then you have to write your text, the text that accompany your video or your image. Okay, then at the end of that text, you must use that location tag, #Abuja or #Lagos, depending on the location that you are targeting for your ad. Okay, then the last but not the least is to call out your audience. Now, if you're making a video, especially for video creative, and you're recording that video, first thing first is to call out your audience. You can start with something like, if you are living in Lagos, or if you are living in Port Harcourt, if you're living in Abuja, depending on the city where your business is located. So you call out this audience living in that particular city. Anyone that is watching that video, we know that this particular ad, this particular content is for those living in this particular city. That will help to filter the audience who are in that city and leave those who are not living in that city. So you can say, if you are living in Abuja and you're interested in a place where you can relax, let's assume that you're marketing a relaxation center, a restaurant, a hangout joint, or whatever be the case, then you proceed with your video script. You understand? Then along the line too, you also mention the name of that city in your script. Finally, include the name of that location in your ad copy. So in that ad copy, ensure that you include the name of that city or the name of that state. State that this is for those who are living in or currently in Lagos, so that anyone that will go through your ad creative and the TikTok algorithm, we know that this particular ad content or this service or business product is specifically for those living in this particular city. If you learned something from this video, then like this video and drop a comment below.